What's up, YouTube? It's Dean Charles Anthony again, back again for another video. Hope you're doing well today. It's your favorite seasonal YouTube photographer. So we're here with another unboxing. Like I've been saying, I'm really working on building out what my 2024 gear looks like. And so we got a couple more unboxings that we're going to be doing. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing with the three-legged thing. I know that sounds strange, but it's a tripod. So I was looking for a pretty heavy duty tripod, something that can hold a lot of weight for the R5, for the R3, particularly with that 28 to 70. That is really my primary lens that I use 90% of the time right now. So because of that, I wanted to make sure that I got something that was pretty sturdy, that could hold it. So this holds a lot of weight. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, whatnot, and go from there. Did also want to give you a heads up that this is an unboxing, but this is a Reeboxed product. It's not used, but the camera shop that I go to in Georgia, they already had the tripods out so people could get a feel of it in X, Y, and Z before. So basically you select the one that you want and they just put it back in the box. So we got right here, it comes in this nice, actually a really nice carrying case, like three-leg there. I love that. I'm gonna open up the front right here. So it comes in with like some instructions, some things that you can buy to, like, you know, really enhance your tripod experience. Some stickers. I think these are stickers. What is this? This is warranty. The warranty stuff. Allen wrench, and then like a second, like a flex, like little like keychain. So like it has another Allen wrench. It has like another like screw to like loosen and unscrew things right now. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't think that, did this open? Yeah, I don't think there's anything else in these pockets. These pockets are pretty tight. But yeah, right here. And so I do like the fact that it comes in such a small fit, because honestly it gives me like two options. Like I can use this actually just attached to my camera bag, or I can just go without it, go out the bag itself. All right, so open it here. Right now, comes with shoulder straps for the camera bag, which is nice. We got a lot of little bags this go around. And that is a reference to all my other unboxings. So that's everything that's in the bag right there. Then what we have is the actual product. And so like I said, this has already been out the box, but just put back in there. So you get a little baggie to hold your stuff. This has the tripod head in it. Let's see what else we got. So you can kind of, not sure if it's gonna focus in on it or not, but I think it did. It did a good job. It might have, I'm not sure. All right, but here is the tripod. So really like it. It's really sturdy. It feels good and sturdy. Like the colors too. Kind of wish this was black. I think I could probably buy the mount head in black, but that's neither here or there. So a little bit about this one. This one is called the Leo 2.0. So it's pretty cool. So it holds up to 30 kilograms, which is, I believe, about 40 pounds, which is definitely overkill. But let me make sure real quick before I lie. 30 kilograms is, oh, excuse me, it's 61 pounds. So about 61 pounds, which is more than enough to hold my camera gear. But you know, it's better to be safe than sorry. You just know how things happen. What's cool is like, this is how it kind of unbuckles right here. So you got a lot of flexibility with it. It's pretty big. Just put it to the side for y'all to see right here. And so it extends pretty high and all that jazz. And then what's cool too about it, if I remember correctly, because you know I'm a YouTube watcher too, you can take this out in one way or another. Like you can kind of use it as a monopod, or you can see how I took this out. You can kind of unscrew everything. Now, I might be right or wrong right now. Boom, boom, boom. No, okay, I am right. So you can kind of take this out and then switch it to a monopod if you want. See, like right there. So tripod to a monopod and keep the same head, all that jazz. And so it has a lot of little swivels and jazz. So here's the quick release right here. So a nice little like twist release. You can lock it down right here to pick it on, put it on like however way you want it. Like I said, it gets pretty tall. So the way that this one works, it has these screws versus like straps. So you just do that and you lock it back. And you can go as far as you want. I'm just gonna do one leg because I'm not gonna keep putting this back together. Boom, boom. So that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna cut to another scene so that y'all can see like what does this look like on the R3 or one of the two cameras. So we're gonna pause now. So 3, 2, 1. All right, so we can see right here, this is the R3 with a 28-70 on it. And so that's a pretty like heavy setup. And this is holding it really nicely, which is what I wanted. Like, didn't want something super bulky. I have bigger tripods, XYZ, but they're not really travel worthy. And this is a great example for me because, the 28-70 is such a front heavy lens that you want something that's gonna hold it up pretty sturdy, and like, yeah, I feel comfortable with this. So it's definitely holding its weight. Well, not even for it to be as unbalanced, like clearly going back to like it being front heavy of a product. But yeah, so that's part of the reason why I went with this, but I don't think I actually told y'all like why completely. So two things. So I was looking at tripods, you know, you have like the Pete Designs, you have other ones, all that jazz. So one, the price was pretty reasonable. I think I paid $360 for the body and the head for this. The second thing is the weight. We're going back to like 60 pounds being being pretty sturdy for holding gear. So that means that this can clearly hold way more than this. But you know, just with tripods and whatnot, like you just got to be real intentional, especially when as you get heavier gear. So I feel confident if I'm switching to the 70-200. I do plan on, I'm not sure what route I'm gonna go, but if I get the opportunity, I do want to rent a very large lens for probably like a 600mm for if I go to some places that I plan on going in 2024. But I wanted something that I was pretty comfortable with. I think the only thing I might add to this is get the L bracket that comes with it. I am thinking about doing more tethering in my workflow this year. So yeah, this is the unboxing. This is the 3-leg thing, Leo 2.0. I don't think I said that earlier. It's the Leo 2.0. Pretty sturdy, whatnot. Yeah, that's all I got. But it's Dean Charles Anthony II. Let me know what travel tripods are y'all using. Did I get the right one? Did I get the wrong one? Did I spend too much money? Should I spend more money? Y'all should let me know. But this is Dean Charles Anthony II. Make sure you like and subscribe, your favorite seasonal YouTube photographer, and we're out.